Hello, dear students. Today we are going to answer the worksheet on Unit 4. Let's start with the first question, which is complete the following sentences. Number 1. The axial skeleton consists of excellent skull, rib cage, and backbone. Number 2. Maintains the balance of the human body during movement. Which part of the brain which keeps the balance of the body during movement? Excellent, cerebellum. Number 3. The basic structural unit of the nervous system. The structural and functional unit of nervous system is the nerve cell or neuron. Number 4. Bones of upper limbs includes femur bone, forearm bone, and hand bones. Number 5. The peripheral nervous system consists of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. We know that the nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system is cranial and spinal nerves. Number 6. The joints between bones of the skull are from the excellent immovable joints. We have three types of joints: immovable joints, slightly movable joints, and freely movable joints. The skull joints is immovable joints. It don't allow any movement. Number 7. Human vertebral column consists of how many vertebrae? Excellent, 33 vertebrae. Number 8. Connects the brain to the spinal cord. Which part in the brain that connects it with the spinal cord? Excellent, medulla oblongata. Number 9. The peripheral nervous system consists of how many nerves? 43 pairs of nerves, as it consists of 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. The total is 43 pairs of nerves. Number 10. Controls voluntary movements as running in races. Excellent, cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. Number 11. The inner surface of the spinal cord is what matter? Gray matter, and it takes the shape of letter H. Spinal cord, its outer surface is white matter and inner surface is gray matter. Let's come to the second question, which is the give reason for each of the following. Number 1. Presence of the brain inside the skull. Why? In order to protect it. Number 2. Damage of medulla oblongata causes death. It's an important part of the brain. Why? Because it controls involuntary process as heart beats. Number 3. There are cartilage between vertebrae of the backbone. Why? What's the role of cartilage between vertebrae of backbone? It prevents friction between vertebrae during movement. Number 4. Picking up of the hand quickly when your finger touches a hot surface. Why you pick up your hand quickly? Due to reflex action, which is made by spinal cord. It's an automatic response. Determine the type of the following joints. Knee joint, it's slightly or limited movable joint. Shoulder joint, freely movable joint. The thigh or hip joint, it's freely movable joints or widely movable joints. The elbow joint is slightly movable joints. Let's come to the next question, which is what happens if all human bones are fixed with each other? It means there is no joints between bones. We will say that the body cannot move because joints allow movement between bones. Number 2. Something gets close to your eyes. What you will do? Blinking of my eyes quickly. But it's an automatic response. It's due to reflex action made by spinal cord. Number 3. Shoulder joints become from slightly movable joints. What will happen? It will move only in one direction. Write the scientific term for each of the following. Number 1. The main control center in the human body is the Excellent. Brain. Involuntary response, automatic response, spontaneous response of the human body to different stimuli. Excellent. Reflex action. The part of the brain containing centers of thinking and memory. It's the cerebrum, or you can say two cerebral hemispheres. Number 4, the part of axial skeleton consists of 12 pairs of ribs. Okay, it's the rib cage. The location at which bones meet it together. It's the joints. Now let's come to the last question in this revision. Mention one function for each of the following. Vertebral column, it protects the spinal cord, or you can say it allows the body to bend in different directions. Number 2, bones of the lower limb. You can use it in walking, running, carrying the rest of the body. Number 3, joints. Excellent, it allows movement between bones. Finally, good luck, dear students, and study well. Thank you.